What if I told you that in 2026, Cadillac didn't just make motorhomes? They built rolling mansions on wheels. Each of these motorhomes isn't just a vehicle. It's a luxury experience, a combination of innovation, comfort, and elegance that most people can only dream about. Today, you're about to see the top 7 Cadillac motorhomes of 2026, starting from the ultimate king, number 1, down to the hidden gem at number 7. And trust me, each one is more impressive than the last. Number 1, the Cadillac Royale Cruiser is the ultimate mobile mansion. Step inside, and it feels like a 5-star hotel suite on wheels. Plush reclining seats, handcrafted wood finishes, and an advanced climate system make it comfortable in any environment. The kitchen is fully equipped with smart appliances, touch-screen controls, and a layout perfect for preparing full meals while traveling. The sleeping quarters are comparable to luxury hotel suites, with premium bedding, mood lighting, and privacy features that make you forget you're on the road. Entertainment is top tier. Multiple 4K screens, a surround sound audio system, and integrated streaming options allow passengers to enjoy movies, music, or gaming anywhere. Technology is seamlessly integrated. Smart lighting, climate zones, and automated window shades adjust at your command. Driving the Royale Cruiser is a smooth experience. The adaptive suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly, while stability control ensures safe handling despite its size. This is more than a motorhome. It's a lifestyle vehicle designed for those who refuse to compromise on luxury. Number 2, the Cadillac Horizon LX redefines long-distance travel. Built for performance and comfort, it features a state-of-the-art chassis for maximum stability on highways and twisty roads alike. Inside, dual lounges provide ample space for relaxation, while a slide-out dining area creates room for full meals or meetings on the go. Smart technology allows you to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment from a central touchscreen or your smartphone. The Horizon LX also includes a premium sound system, adaptive suspension, and enhanced noise insulation for a serene travel experience. Storage is abundant, making it perfect for extended trips or even moving between cities in absolute comfort. Number 3. The Cadillac Platinum Voyager is a motorhome built for luxury travelers who demand more than just comfort. It comes with retractable terraces, a full bathroom with spa-like amenities, and a kitchen that would satisfy any gourmet chef. Smart automation allows passengers to control nearly every aspect of the interior environment, from lighting and window shades to temperature and entertainment. Its entertainment suite includes multiple screens, integrated streaming services, and premium audio, perfect for relaxing or hosting guests on the move. The Voyager glides on highways like a dream, thanks to its adaptive suspension and advanced handling systems, making it a truly mobile palace. Number 4. The Cadillac Summit Elite combines elegance with innovation. It features dual lounges, a private master suite, and convertible spaces for dining, work, or leisure. High-end materials such as leather, wood, and polished metals give it a sophisticated look, while advanced suspension ensures a quiet, smooth ride. Smart tech integrates navigation, entertainment, and climate control for the ultimate user experience. Whether traveling for business or leisure, the Summit Elite delivers a sense of grandeur that few motorhomes can match. Number 5. The Cadillac Imperial Navigator is grandeur personified. With retractable walls, expansive lounge areas, and a kitchen capable of handling full meals, it is designed to make life on the road feel extraordinary. Safety and driver assist technologies ensure that even long highway journeys are stress-free. Inside, passengers enjoy a combination of luxury, functionality, and comfort rarely seen in mobile homes, making this perfect for families or executive travelers alike. Number 6. The Cadillac Monarch LX is where innovation meets elegance. It includes private sleeping quarters, a fully integrated entertainment hub, and smart climate zones that adjust automatically to ensure passenger comfort. Hidden storage solutions, retractable furniture, and intelligent design make every inch of this motorhome usable without sacrificing luxury. Long-term travelers will appreciate the seamless blend of technology and comfort, allowing them to live on the road with all the conveniences of a stationary mansion. Number 7. The Cadillac Sovereign Voyager is the final gem on our list, designed for those who demand opulence in motion. A full-sized kitchen, lounge area, spa bathroom, and private sleeping quarters are all included, providing a complete luxury living experience while traveling. Its advanced tech suite handles navigation, entertainment, and automation, making every journey effortless. From city streets to country highways, the Sovereign Voyager proves Cadillac's vision for mobile luxury in 2026, combining style, freedom, and sophistication like no other. So there you have it, the top 7 Cadillac motorhomes of 2026 that make every road trip feel like a first-class vacation. Which one would you choose? Would it be the Royale Cruiser, the Horizon LX, or the Sovereign Voyager? Drop your answer in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to Dream Car Lab for more insane luxury vehicle content. These aren't just motorhomes, they're rolling mansions, and 2026 has taken mobile luxury to an entirely new level.